Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to become a master of CapCut in just minutes with 3 quick tips for stunning video edits. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive right in. Want this? Let's start with the first technique. Select your 1 cent clip, and then tap on Animation in the menu. Choose Animation Out and then select Fold. Next, select the 2nd clip and choose Animation In followed by Unfold. Fantastic! Your transition is now complete. Moving on to the next tip. Want this? Add text to your main clip and adjust its position to your liking. Once you're satisfied, it's time to export the video. After exporting, go back to the editing screen and remove the text layer. Now, import the clip we just exported. Then overlay main clip. And tap on Remove Background. Be patient, as this process might take some time. Once it's done, you're all set with a seamless text behind character. Now, let's dive into the third trick. Tap on the clip and add a keyframe at the beginning and another one at the end. Move to the 2nd keyframe, then tap on Adjust. Here, you can lower the saturation to achieve the desired effect. Brilliant! Your clip is now visually enhanced. If you found these editing tips helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials.